warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel YouTube. Let me briefly introduce my name is Ronaldo and I am the accident to be here today to talk about process the question about red teeth with the car engine running the con rotates against the lever because of the risk and fall on the previously on the drum. The pressure on the lever varies alternately, pushing it towards the pump and allowing it to return with the hunter end of the lever in pushed, allowing to return with the hunter and the end of the lever pushed towards the pump. The diagram is the pulled down thus reducing the pressure in the pump chamber. As a result of this, the intervalve opens and the outlet valve thus petrol is the stroke from the tank into the pump. As the pump returns the pressure on the outer end of the lever is reduced. The lever is proven away from the pump by the lever spring. As the lever to longer on the diagram down, the diagram spring is able to return the diagram to its original position. The pressure in the chamber is this in the crash causing the inlet valve to shut and the outlet valve to open. Petrol is then forced on of the pump, the carburetor. The effect of adding carbon to plant carbon steel is the reduce the docility considerably. The continues until the carbon the contact reaches 0 to 87%. Subsequently, the docility falls more slowly. Another effect is to affect the hardness of the steel. The hardness of the steel increases as the carbon contact interest in the press of carbon cause the tensile strength to strength rapidly up to 0.87%. After the carbon contact reaches 0 to 87%, the strength slowly falls off. The effect of carbon contact on the properties of plant carbon strength, lock and distance. If the carbon contact increases up to 0.87%, the duality of the steel will decrease rapidly. Now Max Miller states with information for the graphs. The principal effect of allowing element on alloy steels. Metal chemical symbol. The simple effects when ended to steel. Manganese 25% Mn. The flashing of cell at the main properties when the steel is object to abrasion of rubbing. Nickel symbol Ni and is raised in the thread to next and docility. Chromium symbol Cr and glass in hardness and is in improvement in accretion and distance. Tungsten symbol W X-rays the analysis of hardness and heat temperature.
Yeah.
Chromium symbol Cr and distant hardness corrosion resistant. Tungsten symbol W and resistant resistance of hardness at temperature. Vanadium symbol V as in strength in torques and at reduction in the risk of the good failure. Now reorder this stands to describe the sequence of events during the upwind stroke of the pump, the session stroke. A. The opening of the left and valve allow this fluid to enter the pump cylinder. B. The pump frees thus creating a partial vacuum in the pump cylinder. The back pressure from the balloon in the blown cylinder causes the right-hand valve to close. The atmospheric pressure on the front the cylinder of the left causes the left-hand valve to open. E. The closing of the right-hand valve prevents the fluid from returning to the pump cylinder. It is mechanism the continuous rotation of the shaft into internet relates on the flat shaft in each of 10 anti-shaping mechanism where in determining movement of the flat shaft to cause the table to move forward to step. That finally brings me to end of my video. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.